Revered all over the world as the preeminent figure on yoga, meditation, spiritualism, and world peace, some refer to her as the supreme master of the universe. Yogmata Keiko Aikawa is an inspiration to so many, and she's been able to share her thoughts with the world through both her teachings and published books, The Road to Enlightenment, Empty Your Mind and Achieve Your Dreams, and 108 teachings.
I wrote my book based on my personal experience and teaching. I wanted people to have a better understanding of who am I and how to achieve enlightenment. My books discuss my personal journey, the power your mind can have over you, and how you can achieve calmness.
Yogmata says it's all about realizing the truth, how to live, how to be powerful, based on true wisdom.
Everyone adapts trial and error approach, closing one's eyes and living with anxiety, doubt, anger, comparison, and envy. You need to learn the truth in order to transform such a stressful life and become a person who has awareness, understanding everything. Meditation works to extract and clean up all unnecessary things.
Yogmata has reached ultimate samadhi, the Indian word meaning state of intense meditation, regarded as the final stage in yoga philosophy that even transcends death.
By getting in touch with your energy, you will be able to detach your mind from anxiety, worry, and other negativity.
Her foray into yoga and healthy living began in her teens as she developed an avid interest in meditation, natural remedies, health management, and yoga. These interests led her visits to Tibet, China, and India. In her ardent pursuit of learning yoga and Eastern medicines, she expanded her knowledge into teaching and founded Aikawa Yoga and General Health Institute.
I guide people to release negative mind and realize all their wishes and become positive about yourself. Through the practice meditation, people will learn to harmonize their thought, action, and words and develop willpower. I bestow sound mantra and breathing technique as part of my practice.
Yogmata says if you're connected with the master, you'll be transformed. Find Yogmata's books and learn more at yogmata.com.